Woohoo! Good morning! We're just getting ready. We're about to go to Urunga because we had a flat tire the other day, so I'm getting a new tire put on a rim. And we've also got our whipper snipper is broken, so I have to get that fixed as well. So we're just getting ready and we'll be off.
These are my new trampoline mats for the trampoline. Of course. I bought 3 or 4 of these.
Yeah.
I'll be able to use these instead of blankets.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Have you tried it out yet?
Yeah, I did. There's a bit of a problem with the middle, but you said I could just fold it under.
Or like put it to the side or something where you're not going to land on it.
I could put like 3 of them in a row sideways. And I'd normally be landing like in the middle. Or something.
Yeah. Ah, oh, look at this. Look at this naughty chicken. I don't know how, but somehow the chooks managed to get out last night. And I'm so annoyed because we woke up with chooks in the house. Like, I heard them pecking at the ground and... yeah. I love them, but God, they're annoying. Alright, you all dressed?
Black ones in my room gone.
Do they?
Yeah. Egg out.
Yeah.
Egg in my room. Egg in the room.
Egg in your room.
And egg in my bed. And egg in
That would be pretty funny if they laid an egg in your bed.
Yeah.
Hey, is this your new room?
Yeah.
We have had, so this house is really odd. So there's like 2 bedrooms, but there's a third one that's kind of a bit open and just different. Like the ceiling hasn't been done, and so anyway, we've like lived here for 9 months, and the boys have all shared this room. Like 3 boys in this tiny room. So anyway, I'll stand over here. So yeah, we've had 3 boys in this tiny room with no toys in here. I've had all the toys and my desk and the boys' desks and everything else in the purple room is what we call it. And it just like became so cluttered in there, and there was no real purpose to the room. So, and I was sick of having all 3 boys in here. It was just way too crowded, and Oliver's nearly 12, so he needs a bit more space, I think. So anyway, like the other day, wait, there's light behind me. So the other day, yeah, I switched everything over from this room to the purple room, and it looks so much better in both rooms. Like in this room now, there's not toys like everywhere. It looks all neat and everything has a space, and Jasper can finally play with the kitchen and yeah, and just have like all his things instead of it all being cluttered and cramped in that purple room and the other boys cluttered and cramped in here. Yeah, so it's a lot better. I'm so happy with it, and I think Justin's happy with it too because he's got his own space to play now. Anyway, we're going to go to Urunga. You ready? Jasper?
Yeah.
You ready? We're going to Urunga.
I'm playing my toys.
Yeah, alright, bring your toys. Get your shoes on though, okay? Where's your shoes? Where are we?
The beach.
We're at the beach. At the park at the beach. And we're just going to have some fish and chips. Jasper can't wait to play, but I've told him we have to eat first. Yeah, we're down here while we wait for our tire to be fixed. that good?
Yeah. That's my beach.
Come on, let's follow the path. To the beach. Okay. And we're home.